In this video, I will show you how you can create a cam follower mechanism in Creo assembly. First, I will show you how to assemble and how to use a pin connection, slider connection, and a cam follower connection, cams connection. So let's get started. Before you assemble the parts, first we need to create two axes, one for the cam and one for the follower part. And then you can go ahead and assemble the parts. And now you can do a pin connection. Choose pin connection and choose the axis. And let me lock the translation part. And connection is completed, but you can choose rotation if you want. This and enable regeneration value. Let me come back to this one. Then you assemble the next follower part. Follower. Here we have the follower, and here you need to do a slider connection. This axis and this axis, and we don't want the part to rotate. And the translation you can just leave as default. And connection definition is completed. Now we can just drag component, move the part. And now you can see this is rotating and this is sliding. When you go to application, mechanism, and you can choose cams, how to select, because when you select this, the whole part should be selected. This, as you can see, you don't need to select it control. The other cam, select this, okay. And go ahead and choose the other, and to select the whole part. And here we go. You can hide the planes, and this as you can see, this is working fine. Regenerate, go back to this position, and maybe you can do an annotate, and front plane, dimension, and this to this. Maybe do a sketch first. I have done this sketch before. This is the sketch. Annotate, dimension. Choose this and this. And I can go to application, mechanism, and create a servo motor. Click on this part, servo motor, give the velocity, angular velocity, 360 degrees per second. And go to mechanism, kinematic analysis, 64 frame rate, and run this. As you can see, this is running perfectly. Press OK and go to playback, play this. Hit play, and if you want to speed up the process, this is how you do it. The cam follower connection in Creo assembly. Thank you very much.